Fast Travel, we provide taxi booking solutions for travelers. So part of that is these machines where the traveler can walk up, get offers from all taxi providers, see all prices in advance, and order and book a taxi that will come and pick them up within a couple of minutes. We have in-house very talented designers and very skilled software people. That's what we're really good at. But we were missing the hardware part.
I think it was a very smart move that they contacted NewTracks very early because they are exceptionally good at software. We know hardware, and together we've created a truly excellent product.
Initially, we provided them with some rough sketches and drawings, and then we decided to leave all the specific sizing and material choices to them. We also entrusted all the technical aspects of the project to NewTracks.
The challenge with this product is that you need one outdoor version and one for indoor use. They also needed one with a lower screen for those who use wheelchairs. So there have been quite a lot of requirements. I think the most important thing we can contribute is our production expertise, and we know how to design a product so that it's as efficient as possible and great to use. Every product that we deliver is manufactured in China, specifically in Shenzhen, where we have an office with 6 dedicated employees who handle project planning, design, quality assurance, and all the logistics.
The feedback from the airport has been absolutely outstanding. They have been extremely satisfied. They have seen a dramatic decrease in customer complaints and problems with taxi management in general, and the system has done exactly what we said it would do and what we intended it to do.
In the startup phase, the customer might need just a small number of products, as we see here at Oslo Airport. But in the long run, Fast Travel has ambitions to go much bigger, and then we are able to scale up production to meet their demand for large quantities.